Joey, have you seen my little brother?
No, he hasn't been here at all today.
Good. I'll just stay here for a while, and maybe I can have some peace and quiet.
What's the problem, Janice? I thought you liked your little brother.
I did. I do. I like him sometimes.
I remember when he was a baby, and you thought he was the greatest kid in the world.
Well, I guess he was kind of the cutest baby.
Wait a minute. I remember how crazy you were. You used to go around showing everybody pictures of him and bragging about every little noise he made.
Okay, so I used to like him, but he's not so cute and adorable now. All he does is bother me.
Janice, you remind me of you.
In the Bible?
Sure, you know the sister and brother of Moses?
Well, I know Miriam loved Moses when he was a baby, and Anna should watch while Moses was hidden in the basket.
That's right, Janice. Anne had a part in saving her brother's life.
Oh,
So,
that's
you know she loved him.
I guess I was pretty upset that her brother was in danger of being killed.
Janice, I know you would feel the same way about your brother if his life was ended.
I see what you mean. I was a lot like Miriam when my brother was a baby, but I don't think I'm like her now.
Well, don't you remember what happened when Moses and Miriam and Aaron were grown up?
No, I don't remember anything about that.
Once while the Israelites were in the wilderness, Aaron and Moses' sisters and brother, became jealous of him.
Oh, I remember. They started talking against Moses and criticizing his leadership.
That's right. God had chosen Moses to be his leader, and he was upset with him and was jealous.
Well, I guess I have been like Miriam and Aaron. I really love my little brother when he was a baby, but now I'm really jealous of him.
How are you jealous?
I think he gets too much attention.
I see. Well, just remember that God wants us to love our brothers and sisters and not be jealous of them. Even some of God's greatest duos in the Bible had problems, and they had to work through them.
That's easy to say, but not so easy to do.
I guess so. But I think you're lucky. I wish I had one brother.
You're right, Joey. I need to be more thankful for my brother. I'll try to quit being jealous and try to be more like Miriam.